YouTube? It's your boy Bob, aka Bob Can Cut, and I'm back with another tutorial for y'all today. Today I'm gonna be doing a low drop fade on my client. Already been through the consultation, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. It's gonna be a real quick tutorial. So right here I'm just setting in my ball guideline. I started in the back so I can make sure I keep it low like I want it. I'm just gonna set this first guideline in all the way around the head. Just gonna ball them out. Gonna make sure we keep that ball guideline low. Like I said, it's gonna be a low drop fade. Make sure we keep the front part C cup low so we can keep majority of the C cup. That's what you want to do. Okay, after this we're gonna set our guidelines in. Just finish setting this guideline in all the way around the head. Y'all see how I dropped it in the back? That's gonna be a drop fade. Okay, right here I got my clipper open, setting in my next guideline about 1 inch. My clipper open. Gonna do this all the way around the head. Like I said, we setting in our guidelines first on this cut. Then after we get finished setting this guideline in, we grab our 1 guard, leave the clipper all the way open, and we're gonna set in another guideline, the same width, parallel around the head. Okay, there I go with my 1 guard. We're gonna set another guideline in the same width, about 1 inch, all the way around the head, just like we did the first one. After we get finished setting this guideline in, we're gonna knock the top of the buck down. We're gonna knock it down to a 2 closed. Just setting in this second guideline. Y'all see that? Got our first guideline and our second guideline. Then here we go with our 2 guard. We're just gonna knock the hair down. It's my 2 guard closed. Okay, after we do that, we come back with our 2 guard all the way open. We're not setting in another guideline, we're just removing the buck at the top. Just want to blend the top with the sides. We're just debulking. Gonna use that 2 guard open all the way around the head. After we get finished with this 2 guard open, we're gonna put on our 1.5 guard all the way open, leave the lever open, and we're gonna work our way down back through this fade. Gonna start with our 2 guard open. Then we got our 1.5 guard all the way open. We'll just start easing our way down. After we get finished this 1.5 open, we close the 1.5 and go right up under where we left off with it open. Just moving that top guideline right there we set in with the 1 guard open, remember. Then after we close this 1.5 up, go back through. Our next step to put on our 1/2 guard. There we go with the 1.5 close. Just hitting that line right there. And y'all can watch it slowly start disappearing. Okay, here I go with my half guard, and that panel that we made with the one guard open, we start fading it out with the half guard all the way open. We work it from open to close. Open, halfway, closed. And y'all can watch how I blend that one guard open panel out. Open, halfway, closed with the half guard. You want to use a lot of your corners when you get to your half guard. Y'all see how it's just taking that panel away? After we get finished with this, we're going to start on that bottom guideline. We start with our clipper all the way closed, and we work it from closed to open. We don't start with it open again. Work it from closed to open. Open it little by little till that line is blended out. As y'all can see, start with it closed and we work it our way open. Get it our way open, we just want to use our corners and hit that guideline in between. Right here the back was still a little bit dark, so I wanted to hit it some more. But just the clipper open, that half guard didn't lighten it up enough. Okay, right here we're going to jump into the line that we start in the middle. We work our way to the left. Like I said, this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial. I just wanted to drop something and keep y'all waiting. I got some more in the stash that I'm just got to do the voiceover to and edit. I'll be dropping some more soon. No enhancements, just a Barber Magic pencil. Fade came out pretty dope. Hitting this right vertical bar. Got some real thick hair. Hit the C cup one more time. Then we go back and do a little bit of detail work. Throw our one guard open back on. We hitting little dark spots. Just want to use your mirror and just throw on different guards, just hitting little dark spots, doing some detail work. You gotta make sure you detail your fade. It's me doing some detail work with my half guard. After I use that one, I want to come back and detail with that half guard. Then might come back and detail with just the clipper open. But you just want to make sure you detail. It's one of the most important parts of a haircut. Okay, right here I just got my Barber Magic pencil. We just gonna trace this hairline, this outline. After we get finished with that, we're gonna go back and shade it in with our trimmer. We don't want to leave it on like that. Just want to shade it in. And we are coming to the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video. Share, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Help my channel grow. Try to put out some dope content for y'all. I appreciate all my subscribers. I think this fade came out super clean. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. See, I'm just shading that line away, just sort of make that hairline pop. Leave enough shade on it. I appreciate y'all for watching once again. That's pretty much the cut. Like I said, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. So low drop fade, 2 guard on top.